Pigeons belong outdoors, the wife says. Get those ducks out of the pool, she says. That bush turkey's digging up the mulch again, she says. Aren't those colours amazing? They've got fleas, the wife says. They'll tell their friends. They'll all be round here. Don't feed the white ones, everyone said. I should have listened. They told their friends, who spread the word. They're at the window, saying, "Feed us, or we'll trash the joint." Our baby wood ducks, cute or what? These guys are my favourites though, the cuckoo doves. These birds are masters of the sky. They're absolutely beautiful, and they've got such lovely natures. The Australian magpie, they want to be everyone's friend, and we're lucky enough to have one in nearly everyone's backyard. Isn't Australia's bird life wonderful? The wife says.